Okay, here it is, March 24th, and I was going to give you an update on how it's going on the Mustang. Okay, so we've been working on it. All right, I don't know if you've seen this, but of course we freed up the engine. The engine was locked up when we got it, and freed that up, and just took out the radiator and all that, going through the different parts. Steering pump, it might be good, I don't know. And steering pump might be good. I'll have to clean it up and paint it. And of course, do some of that pulley. The pulley needs to be cleaned. Okay. Anyway, next we're going to be, and we'll just, of course, a pressure washed underneath. A pressure wash, getting all the undercoating off of it. You can see I've got it down to the metal here on most of it, and I'm going to continue doing that, getting the undercoating off. So we're going to eventually sandblast it and paint it underneath and re-undercoat it. Okay, now of course we took off all the brake assembly and everything. I'm working on those. We're restoring those by using the rust remover on all the drums and everything. You see I've got them over here. We're cleaning them up, and eventually we're going to paint those. They're going to be all cleaned up and reused. They've already been turned. They got a little film from that rust remover on it. This is the rust remover we're using. Vapo rust. Got 5 gallons of it. Here's a little soaking. I soak them in here. This is where I soak all the different parts and nuts and stuff like that for restoration. I'll try to reuse a lot of the nuts. Okay, here's some of the interior parts. We're fixing to clean those up and just bag them, have them ready when we get ready to put that back together. Okay, and going through it. Going through some stuff now. Of course, we'll remove the back bumper. Remove that back bumper. We're going to delete these little small bumper guards, they call them. We're going to delete those. It's not going to be on the car whenever we finish our restoration process. So anyway, and that's it over there. Bumper. We're going to need the guards off of it, I think. The brackets. So. Anyway, it's coming right along. Hadn't had a whole lot of time spent on it. Did get some new rims. Look at the junkyard, got these rims, but they'll need spacers to make them work. I mean, it was only 80 bucks for these 4 tires. I got 14s for the front, 15s for the back, but I'm debating on whether using them. At this point, the rims that we had were just, they were pretty bad. Anyway, all right, so that's the update. Okay, have a good one.